That one?
That right there.
So beautiful.
Yeah, left and right. Left turn in Albuquerque.
দুলাভাই ছবি তুলবেন না মনকে দেখাবার জন্য। There you go. Get it. Look. No.
Stalactites, stalagmites, মনে আছে?
জি দুলাভাই?
ছোটবেলায় আমরা পড়তাম যে stalactites,
Yes,
stalagmites.
yes, জি জি।
All right, guys. Now this first.
Get your head a little, Dad.
One more buckle hanging around right here. Again, watch your hands here.
কত বছর ধরে হয়েছে। হেঁটে হেঁটে এখানে অনেক আছে মেয়েটা অন্য প্রিয় আছে হেঁটে হেঁটে। জ্যাকেট এনে ভালো করছিস না? ও আলহামদুলিল্লাহ, এটা দেখা হলো।
তবে ওইটা সাবান আমরা বাইরে কিনেছি।
আচ্ছা,
ভারী মশাল জ্বালায় সাবান
বুঝতে পারছি।
They grow down with every drip of that mineral-rich water. Now, if there's enough water dripping from above, we get these corresponding stalagmites going up entirely from the cave floor. Stalagmites go up.
goodness, 내가 bottom deck 껐어. 이제 껐어.
Alright guys, what do you think? My perfect cave collar. To the left, check that out. It's one of my favorites. Now I told you earlier, that dog Juno discovered the cave back in 1862, but I didn't tell you. Was Juno saw something truly amazing when he first entered the cave. So up here at the next stop, I want to show you what Juno saw.
So beautiful. Oh, I forget you. This is your first time too. I'm sorry, I forgot.
This is a seal. No going any further on this upper level. And earlier, I told you, John takes you to the Little Sac River. Right along the banks of the Little Sac River, the Indian Spring, and the water comes out of the cave. And, back a week ago. And we have 2 levels of our cave. And we only tour the upper level. Well, it's about a mile round trip on this upper level. But right below our feet, there's a lower level. There's about 2.5 miles of lower level passage to our cave. So, up here at the next stop, I'm going to be able to give you a good look into that lower level. Pretty cool. Let's go up there and take a look.
Deep.
John knew that. That's exactly why John kept the cave secret. Well, I think he was afraid that one of these armies knew he had a cave on the property. They could have very easily confiscated his entire homestead just to take control of the cave and turn it into a big old saltpeter mine. Man, it would have destroyed the natural beauty of our cave. Interested in caves. Now, it turns out they wanted to mine the cave for, but not for gold or silver like you might think. No, they were more interested in buying the cave for its back guano. Now you guys know what back guano is. If the cave was discovered in 1862, like I told you, how come it was 5 years later, 1867, before the gals came out and explored the cave? 5 years difference. Well, the truth of the matter is, John and
누나가 한 뒤에 맡아 치워한다며 দেখেন Oh my goodness Oh my god so beautiful See how far away? এখন সব থেকে সুন্দর জায়গাটা বড় বড় দুটো পাথর হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা আমি তো কখনই বলছি মেজাপাকে হ্যাঁ like the oh my goodness subhanallah লাইটটা জ্বালাবে এত সুন্দর লাগে দেখতে এখন
Now guys, before I turn the lights on in this section, right side's a little bit low. Left side is very.
The left side is very low.
তোদের মাথা নিচে করতে হবে মেজাপা Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
Left side got a big rock jutting out of the wall, so mark your heads there.
So beautiful, mashallah, mashallah.
Also very wet, slippery, a lot of weird rocks. If I were to trip, slip, blow that candle out nearly as easy with it being contained in that can. Also, that can allows me to focus the light where I'm walking, where I really need that light. You know, most people don't realize the Ozarks created the very first incandescent light. True story. True. Set it down on the floor and it becomes fluorescent.
Yeah, in my eyes, in my eyes. My goodness.
Hold the can to the way we see the cake. Now, this is a section of cake we call the Hall of Giants.
হ্যাঁ চোখের মধ্যে যে হ্যাঁ চোখের মধ্যে যে করতে দিলাম ভাই
Why you look up? Don't look up.
দেখবো না
We're only about 25 or 30
তারপর
feet
কাঁধে
from the
বসে
surface right here. We're really not that deep underground right here. Now, did you guys have any other questions, by the way?
হ্যাঁ
No questions, and I got a question for you. How?
The entrance.
John and Joe.